Men principen, jag gillar liksom, det är bara de här små borstarna som man åker runt och
So when I start it, the sensors in here are going to sense the ceiling of the room, and basically it's mapping out the room so it knows the quickest and the shortest and the fastest route to take. So for instance, a 16.5 by 16.5 room should get clean in about 12 minutes. The slim design will make sure that it fits underneath couches. And also there is a built-in camera, so if you have your Samsung device like that has all share, you can actually control it with your all share device and turn on the camera and essentially use it like security.
What about surfaces?
Hardwood and carpet.
Hardwood and carpet. Glatt betonggolv, vad gör den då va?
Yeah.
Men det är, it's no home automation.
There is a sensor inside of there that maps out for so for instance, a 16.
It was a Navi something. Yeah, it was NaviBot 8855. That was
also it has the
was invisible for
so it sees the customer to make free suite.
Back then, yes.
Because we wanted to do
be chasing all over the place.
That's the one that